Hello Smilers! In this video, I will show you how to use a Smiles Premium card at a Lawson Bank ATM.
First, you will need to press the English Guidance button. Press Next. Insert your Smiles Premium card. You can use both the Smiles Premium Wallet card and the Smiles Premium Remit card. Then press Deposit. Insert the money that you want to send into your Smiles wallet or send directly to your beneficiary. Check the deposited amount and press Confirm. Double-check your transaction information and press Confirm. Remember to remove your Smiles card from the ATM. And that's it!
We'd like to thank our Smilers for always sending with Smiles Mobile Remittance. For more information, click the link in the description.